Guys, I'm down on Unity Beach in Somerset. It's Nigel, the caravan man. I'm with the cameraman, Damo. Look at this, guys. 189. Watch it to the end and make sure you're following, guys, because you're going to miss out because we sell tours as well. And yesterday we put a tour on and got 50,000 likes. So, and listen, you need to act quick if you've got tours because we sell them off at cost. Okay, guys?
How quick did that one go yesterday?
This one went in 4 or 5 minutes yesterday, and we've got another one coming up on Saturday. This is a lodge, guys. We sell caravans, yeah, holidays, lodges, statics, everything. This one looks over the lake, Damo. Okay, the fishing lake. This is up for 189 with a decking, Dame.
Yeah.
Okay, 189, fully sighted, all with the deck, everything, ready to move in, okay? We'll go outside in a minute and open the door.
That's a big deck.
It's a huge deck. Look at that.
It says 189.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Nice
I
slide
think it's
indoors.
beautiful.
Get table and chairs out here, barbecue.
Definitely.
Let's show them the inside and we'll show them the outside after.
Cool. Okay, so kitchen area?
It's nice with this island kitchen. What do you call this thing in the middle?
Island.
Island. Island. You got all
It's
microwave.
my island.
Brand new. Everything's new, guys. Look, I've even kitted it out for the weekend.
Good
Don't
kid.
tell Damo when I'm ready.
My favourite.
Don't tell Damo. Or Christian, he'll be up here. Look at the beds down here, they're huge, mate. Look at it. This,
Just quickly, sorry, jumping back in here. What's in?
oh, I forgot to tell you about the washing machine.
Whoa!
Washing machine, I forgot to tell you about that, and dishwasher. And the most important thing about this van, Damo, it's got a bath in it.
No.
Honestly, come have a look. Honestly, mate.
What, 3 beds with a bath?
Seats 8 people,
I've
2
heard that.
toilets, big bath. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Look at that.
That's huge.
And
a shower above it.
the beds in here are bigger than normal beds in like static caravans, Damo.
Oh yeah, there's 2 there, look there.
Look at the size of this one.
And bank of wardrobes.
40 foot long, 20 foot wide. Comes in 2 halves, you have to put it together, you know. Look at that. It's the master bedroom. And the good thing about this one, you can lock the door off, right? Obviously, this is a door. And you can go in the shower. There's another bath in there. Shower. Okay?
Well, through here.
And toilet. Yeah. Another toilet and shower.
Nice.
It is nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's tidy. That's
Little
the
changing
cupboards.
room area.
Cupboards. Let me show you the outside, guys. Obviously double glazed, central heated, residential spec. This one, 10 off month season, okay?
Yep.
Closes about the 14th of December. Opens the 14th of Feb, is it?
Around that mark.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Second week in Feb.
Yeah, the dates aren't exact because it depends on if it's a Monday or a Friday.
Yeah. So it comes with a huge deck in here. It's a Willoughby Haywood, 40 by 20. Yeah. Look at the size of this decking. Huge, isn't it?
Absolutely humongous.
I think this is one of the best pictures of the park, look. Look how quiet it is for July. Hello.
Hiya.
How are you doing?
Thank you.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, there's that pond again.
So
Fishing lake.
get in touch, yeah? If you want some information, ring the cameraman Damo and make an appointment. What's your number, Dave?
07976 827734.
Hey, thanks for watching.
Cheers, guys.
Let's do